This tutorial review will show you how to fix My AI option not showing up on Snapchat. Method 1. You have to update your Snapchat app. So open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Snapchat. And if you see any update available, then you have to update the app to the latest version. Once done, open the Snapchat app. Swipe right from the camera screen and tap on My AI to chat with it. If this solution didn't work, then follow the second solution. Open your Snapchat app and swipe right from the camera screen. Tap on the search icon at the top left and type here My AI and tap on Say Hi to My AI, and the AI episode will start here. Then you have to tap on View at the bottom. Tap on this message option and then you can start messaging with your AI. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.